Till, good morning. You have chosen for your coup de cœur at BRAFA this year a very small painting by a Flemish master. Can you tell us what attracts you to this very small painting?
Well, it's actually the quality of the painting which is extraordinary. You don't find that exquisite condition that often. It's a mid 16th century painting that shows a typical devotional image, that of the Holy Family resting on the flight to Egypt, a Andachtsbild par excellence that has a tradition that goes back to Gerard David and sort of like goes the entire early 16th century. David van Cleve, Patinier, they're all sort of like reinterpret the same image over and over again. Very popular. Now what makes this very special is actually the scale, which is more like a miniature painting. It foreshadows the cabinet pieces of the 17th century, and in my view sort of like it's very close related to almost entirely unknown genre of aquarelle paintings that we know existed and were produced in Antwerp and Mechelen around the mid 16th century by people who are the direct precursors of Peter Bruegel the Elder. So such a painting that you can see here really links the traditions of the last Flemish primitives of the 15th century to the great humanistic paintings in the 16th century. That is to say, it slays the bridge between David and Peter Bruegel.
As a curator and as an expert, what is your relationship with dealers and with fairs and the market?
Well, we have to be alert, huh? And one of the essence for us is to be early aware of what's going on. So for every curator, it is very necessary to prospect the market, to prospect the sales, to see dealers, to see fairs, in order to enhance the public collections.
You are going to give what I think will be a wonderful lecture about Van Eyck and the exhibition that you have curated, I think, in Ghent.
Co-curated with two colleagues. Yes, thank you. Yeah.
Can you tell us a little bit more about Van Eyck retrospective?
Well, the exhibition will be a large-scale monographic show about Jan van Eyck, about 100 objects, 20 of them by Van Eyck. The exterior of the Ghent altarpiece and many other pieces will be on show, confronted with works of followers and contemporaries. So we have a kind of benchmark to judge the Eickian turn, the Optical Revolution by Van Eyck with his contemporaries' eyes. My lecture will focus on Jan van Eyck and its workshop and tries to answer a little bit questions that are still sort of lingering on for some time.
As far as I've read, this would be a one-of-a-kind exhibition.
Well, these days every exhibition is a one-of-a-kind exhibition, and of course you have to feed the marketeers as well. But honestly speaking, with the chance to confront the Ghent altarpiece directly with other pieces by Van Eyck, that is something which is not likely to be happen in our lifetime.
Till, thank you very much.
Sure.